U.S. stock index futures recovered from early session losses Sunday, after Wall Street narrowly avoided its fourth straight weekly loss Friday. After falling more than 100 points earlier in the overnight trading session, Dow Jones Industrial Average futures YM00 plus 0.21% were last in positive territory, up about 50 points by midnight Eastern, while SP 500 futures ES00 plus 0.25% and Nasdaq 100 futures NQ00 plus 0.36% turned around early session losses into gains as well. After a volatile week, stocks ended on a high note Friday. The SP 500 index SPX, plus 2.43% rose 2.4% to 4,431.85, the Dow Jones Industrial Average DJIA, plus 1.65% gained 1.7%, or 565.69 points, to 34,725.47, and the Nasdaq Composite Index Comp, plus 3.13% closed up 417.79 points, or 3.1%, at 13,770.57. Markets were roiled last week as investors weighed rising inflation, expected Fed rate hikes, quarterly earnings and the ongoing pandemic. For the week, the Dow booked a gain of 0.8%, the SP 500 index climbed 1.3% and the Nasdaq finished up 0.01% higher. Despite the slight gains, the Dow and SP 500 are on track for their worst months since March 2020, and the Nasdaq is on pace for its worst month since October 2008. Crude oil prices CLH22, plus 1.15%, BRNH22, plus 1.30% gained Sunday, while Bitcoin cust, minus 1.87% and other major cryptocurrencies continued their slump.